In this video, I will show you how to use the bad smell detection plugin mentioned by this paper. This plugin is developed based on Elastic APM version 8.14.3. We use the basic APM infrastructure for connecting matches and chases to implement bad smell detection in Spring-style microservice systems. To save time, I have already run a simple microservice system in local, which contains 5 services. All these services has already configured with basic APM agent parameters. And also I will use API forks to simulate user requests. It started. Okay, let's get into this plugin. This plugin can be divided into 3 parts. The first part, knowledge base. In this part, we summarize common bad smells in the field of microservice research. We can give an example. No API versioning. It contains a description of this bad smell, the cause, the detection method maybe, and give an example, and the source of this bad smells comes from. Okay, the second part, detection. When a user adds the detection component configuration, then he can use this panel. Also, we use no API versioning as an example. Set start. Okay, command is sent. As for this runtime detection, it can only be used when running microservice is detected. Otherwise, the panel is unusable. Okay, let's get into third part. A series of panels for displaying detection results. In this bad smell detection dashboard, we can select it displays overall analysis and statistics for the entire microservice system in bad smell detection. For example, this download chart. The inner ring shows the proportion of each bad smells type in the, and the outer ring shows the ratio of the detected and not detected cases within each type. True means detected bad smell, false means not. And this histogram of bad detection results. You can see that the green portion means the total number of the detection, while the yellow one means the number of detection that found the bad smells in this time window. As we hover over the annotation tooltip, it displays the detection ID, the target instance, and the name of bad smell. Okay. In monitor navigation bar, we can also observe the detection results from the perspective of a single microservice. For example, click this cloud user service. In this overview dashboard, we can see that it displays the statistics related to this bad smell, this service manually detected for specific microservice, just this cloud user service. Okay, this is the instance in local. And in this transaction panel, the detailed information of the request chain that represent circular dependencies will displayed. We can click one to observe detailed info. In this chain, we can obviously found that there is a loop in this request chain. Okay, all this is the basic functions.